Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays. Today I want to talk about how to help people feel comfortable in your presence. I always think of it like this. We are kind of guided by our unconscious minds. The unconscious mind, the primitive brain, is always asking a question. And the question is, am I safe? How do I help your unconscious mind know that you're safe when you're in my presence? One way is to always keep my hands visible. Then your unconscious mind knows that I'm not holding a weapon. It's a very primitive thing. Think of caveman days, cave person days, when you'd see someone, did they have a club? Did they not? Very primitive reaction. There was one scientific study in which jurors were asked about defendants, and they found that jurors who saw defendants whose hands were hidden assumed they were sneaky, deceitful, untrustworthy. You don't want to be any of those things. Keep your hands above the table and use them when you're speaking. I hope this helped. If you have any body language questions, nonverbal communication questions, interpersonal communication questions, go submit them on my website, nonverbalscience.com. If you're looking for a trainer or speaker for an event, call me, Monica Levin. You can contact me through my website, nonverbalscience.com. See you next week.